Hello everybody. Welcome back. This is Professor West, and as you know by now, I'm doing these really short videos on Microsoft PowerPoint to try to show you some of the different tools that are available. And here's the presentation we've been working on so far. And today I'm going to show you how to add a design to your presentation. So to do so, all you got to do is come up here to the Design tab. And here are a number of different ones. If you click this button here, then it moves down one row. Now it can move up a row. If you click this one, it brings it all down so you can see some of the different options. And this is how you know, or how you decide how you want your presentation to look. So this is all just based on what's there right now for the current theme. So let's say I wanted to use this one. If I click on that, that'll be my theme now. All of my slides will have it. That's why it's called a theme and not a background. The difference is a background would be for one slide, and a theme is for all the slides to give it a similar look and feel. And if I decide, oh no, I want this one now instead, notice they all changed. Well, I can also come into this section over here where it says variants, and I can tell it, I can change to be darker. I could change to be lighter. I could come in and change the colors and whatever I want. I can make all these different changes so that my slide appears how I want it to look. And let's say I decide I want this one. Well, now I've got a problem because some of my text blends in. You can't read that. Even if you can read it right now sitting at your screen, if you were showing this to an audience, 2/3 of your room would not be able to read that. This is very important because a lot of times people don't think about stuff like this when they're choosing their colors. You always want what we call contrasting colors. So you want something here that would be easy to read. Don't forget, some of your audience may be nearsighted, may be farsighted, may have glasses, contacts, all that kind of stuff. So now I liked the blue text originally, but now I've got to go back and change it because that blue text ain't gonna work. Let's see, if I use black text, that works okay. If I want to use bright yellow text, that is going to give me a headache if I stare at it for very long. So what you have to do is you have to kind of play around with it some. And what I'm realizing is this blue background was horrible. So I'm going to go back to design and I'm going to change it. Well, that looks a little better. I could even leave the yellow if I want. I can change it however I want though, because I'm the guy in charge. So now I've got a lighter background. I do not want yellow text on a light background. That's just going to be difficult for people. So now I might go to a darker green, a darker blue, a purple, whatever I want. And if I make my box a little bigger, it'll all fit on there. So anyway, that's all there is to choosing themes. And I'm going to stop the slide now, but make sure you sign up to my YouTube channel, subscribe to it. And come back next time. I'm going to teach you about transitions. So